child, the ghetto. Hey beauties, it's Nikea here. I'm here with the second packing video as promised. The first video I showed you was packing my carry-on for my honeymoon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pack your personal bag. And by the way, I'm going to Aruba. But before we get into all that, just take one quick second, go down below and click that subscribe button, and once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so you never miss an upload. Join the club. Yeah, I'm coming to y'all like I'm really just grabbing stuff. We leave to go to Charlotte tomorrow, and our flight leaves from Charlotte Saturday morning, and we get to Aruba Saturday afternoon, early in the afternoon. So yeah, so I have to finish doing my hair, even though it looks done, but not all the way. But then I have to pack my what am I packing? Packing my personal bag. I didn't even have a bag at first, but I went to my mom's room, and she has the perfect personal bag. Oh my god. So my luggage is not gonna match, whatever, but it also has this little strap on the bag, okay? So I haven't packed anything. I don't know how much stuff fits in here. I don't know if it's going to work, but yeah. I think it's a good size personal bag without me having to like have a book bag, which I use for work. So since this is going to be on the plane, everything has to be in 3-ounce bottles or less. So I already have some stuff from our flight to Charlotte a few weeks ago, because y'all know my skincare is very important to me. So I have my face wash. This is a charcoal one. It's been in here for a while. It's about half full, so that'll be good. This is my toner, and this is the micellar water. This is toner. Got my travel toothpaste, which I'm gonna take out the box. And then I have my moisturizer, which I think I might need to put some more in there. Of course, I'm gonna take some cotton rounds. I'll probably just take this whole thing. Y'all, I'm telling you, this video is in shambles. I'm trying to get all my stuff together. So I usually bring this roll, so I might still take it. We'll see. So I have my toothbrush, soap, because this is easier. You don't need to have like 3 ounces of soap rather than body wash. Alright, so I'm gonna put all my little toiletries in here. And then I don't have a scent, so I'm thinking I'm gonna take this. This is Central Amber. It's like a little body spray, you know, because I don't have any travel perfume. And maybe if I just, it's working! I'm trying to at least get it half full, so I'll have 1 full ounce. You know what, I think I'm gonna put my moisturizer in a smaller container. Just trying to save space. I know you're supposed to put in like one of those little Ziploc bags, but I'll just bring one just in case. You're like, oh no man, you can't do that. I am gonna bring my sunscreen. So that's the sorry, I know this is like so rashy. But there we go, all my liquids are in here. So we'll set that aside. So I do need to pack my makeup. And what I usually do is I take one of these, put my brushes in here. So all my brushes that I use are actually in this cup. So just gonna take those. I also have my larger brushes in this cup. I feel good about this. I don't feel like I'm bringing a lot of brushes. And then I'm just gonna stick that up there. Then this stuff can also go right here. Oh, I forgot my makeup wipes. Can't forget those. Because on vacation I get lazy with my skincare, child. Judge your mother. Judge her. I need to get my my makeup. Right. So I have this little bag that says face case, and this should fit all my essentials. right. These foundations do me good. I'm gonna take those. I'll put these 2 palettes in there. Always gotta have the It's My Rare palette. Setting spray, beauty sponges. Actually, these can go with the brushes. Lash glue. My primers. Setting powder, contour palette. This is a good everyday blush. I'm gonna bring a few pair of lashes. I got these from a student at the school that I work with. Her company is called Backlash, and I actually wore this style at my wedding. It's called Bora Bora, and I also got Zell. So we're gonna pack those, and then I have Gala and Noir, and these are from Kiss. I'm going to bring the Nubian 2 palette because I just love this. I don't think it'll fit in here, but I'm gonna bring it. Setting powder, primer serum, and then I'm gonna bring my matte primer. I'm not sure which concealer I've been using, but and then we got to have brow pencils and lip liners, but I'll probably put these. Yeah. Do we have a contour? All right, so this stuff I'm gonna put in the little roll. Let's see. My primers, and let's see, and concealers. I'm gonna put in a little roll because I want to bring my contour palette. Y'all know my go-to. And then my lipsticks I will put in here as well. Take this last roll off and put my lipsticks in here. I may add some more lipsticks in here because I had a case that I traveled with before. Let me see if I can find it. All right, I found my little case that had all my lipsticks that I usually like to travel with in different colors and such. So just throwing those in there. Got some nudes, some peaches, pinks, got some colors, and I probably have some more like in my purse that I need to get, but we'll see. Y'all forgive me, I'm sorry. I feel and I know I look all over the place. Oh, this powder, my all over powder for my makeup. So last video I mentioned I might put my bras in here. My bras actually fit in my suitcase because I took a couple of things out. Just a couple. Like, yeah, I don't really need those. Because we're going to be on the beach and stuff. You know what I'm saying, y'all. Okay. Toiletries and makeup are packed. Just move that to the side. Now I need, what was I thinking? I need to pack. Okay, so we got a few things. We both got bandanas because we're going on a ATV excursion, like with the 4-wheeler car like ATVs, and you know there's dust and stuff, so we got bandanas. We also got hats that say Mr. and Mrs. since this is our honeymoon. And we both got a pair of water shoes. And we got these from Amazon. They said that they were good for like hiking and stuff too. So we're gonna wear these on our excursion. And this stuff probably will fit in my suitcase. But I just wanted to show you all. The hat I'm gonna actually wear in the airport, duh. Dang, what did I need? Jewelry. Y'all, pray for your girl. All right, let's get this jewelry strapping. So this is my handy dandy jewelry mesh bag. I'm going to bring my wedding earrings because I feel like they will go with one of my evening outfits that I plan on wearing. Gonna grab some button earrings. Y'all know I get these from Maker of All Things Dope. Her name is Janelle. Follow her on Instagram. I will forever pub her. Yeah, I'm just throwing random hair in here. Like, I I'm not even tripping. So yeah, boom. There's my jewelry. All in there. And then my chargers. There's my library card. I'm gonna probably bring my iPad for a hotspot and to do some reading. So get that. My Fitbit charger. This is my travel charger. I keep this in my purse. Got my little, where are those things at? Let's see, my dongle. My dongle's over here somewhere. Headphones. Let's see how all of this fits in this bag. If this takes up a lot of space, I might just take it apart. But I do like traveling with this because I can just hang it up on the door or in the bathroom somewhere. So I'm gonna stand it up in here. Okay, okay. Perfect. I'm gonna put the toiletries on top so I can just take this out when we get to the... There's a little compartment back here. I'm gonna stick my palette in there and my iPad. Put this in a little pocket for my charger. And I have some, oh, and I wanted to bring my Bluetooth speaker for like when we go on the beach. So these are my two little pocket chargers that I have, battery packs. Those in there. Always gotta have a fanny pack. I'm gonna put an empty Ziploc bag in here just in case, you know, something gets wet. Also bringing some adult things. I'm married now. So we have some cards. This is my personal bag. My cell phone I'll have. And I have my travel outfit out. But this is it. Like, this is like a big purse, and this is just, your personal bag needs to be able to fit in front of you or underneath your seat. So this will do just fine. Oh my God, I can't believe I did all that. Whew. Wow, I made it through. That was like a struggle. Like, usually I have everything together before I record, but today has just been a day this week. So I'm ready to go out of the country. But that's it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. So I hope this helps you out, that you can figure out how to fit all your stuff in a personal bag and a carry-on. That is all that my fiance and I are going to travel with. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to put my little airplane bottle. There we go. Probably drink that before I get to the airport. But that is everything. My personal bag. And like I said, I have this strap that I can put on my carry-on, which will be perfect. But that is it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.